Good morning, guys. So in the last video we painted the 240 or Blaine's car, so it turned out pretty good actually. It looks really nice. Oh shoot, it's about to rain. I'm gonna show you guys the paint job, but it's about to rain, so I'm gonna show you guys real quick.
Oh, it would rain. It's gonna rain.
Oh, and why is one tail light red?
Because...
Oh, no, never mind, never mind. I never mind, I know why. But you smashed it!
she fixed it so good she forgot she crashed. Alright, so next we're gonna fix the bumper, but we want to show you guys the outcome of the paint job.
I know, I totally forgot that the bumper still needs to be fixed.
I don't want to mount the bumper right now.
I mean, don't mount it, but just...
I'll show you guys. It's gonna look horribly mounted because of the fact that it is... Look at it, guys. It's a car again. We did forget to paint the lower garnish. Might leave it, to be honest.
I mean, I have to paint the bumper, so I can probably do it then.
Probably paint it when we paint the bumper, I guess. But it's a full car again, guys. Can't even tell she crashed it. It looks horrible outside, so can't really see the pearl, but it actually blends up pretty nicely. You can't even tell, to be honest.
Where was it blended?
Oh, good job. That's how good we do. Can't even tell.
It was probably blended right around here.
Yeah. Everything blended up really, really nicely. So, look how sick it looks now, guys. It's a good thing I didn't have the Type X tails in.
I know. Blaine was debating if he wanted to put it in.
Oh, that would have been junk.
Yeah.
The one red, the one clear is a vibe?
No.
No? Would be nicer if it was all red or all clear.
This part isn't clear.
I don't like it when it's all clear.
Actually, yeah.
Yeah, it looks better when it's like separated. I like the clears.
So turned out pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
No more smashing no cars.
Okay. You said that for the other car. Then you smashed this car. But it came out good.
Yeah, it came out good. Yeah, just this part needs to be... I mean, everything isn't mounted, so that's why it's kind of weird. But yeah, just this part needs to be probably pushed in just a little bit.
Yeah.
And then we can repaint it. And then probably mount the bumper normally.
Yeah, I just gotta fix the exhaust mount. Probably came off, so it's like pushing the bumper up, which is pushing this side down. But yeah, guys, everything looks good. It came out good for it being like smashed in, you know?
Yeah.
So next, not too bad, but this is gonna be a little bit tricky on this part because we have to build up all these curves and lines, but we have majority of the pieces, so it's more so just filling in the gaps rather than rebuilding the whole thing from scratch. So it's not gonna be too bad. All the pieces are right there. Too bad it's about to rain.
So another thing for the 240 is we have this roof spoiler that we need to put on. It's already painted yellow on the top side, but it feels like it looks so much better when the back side is black or just a darker color. I think on my car it's a dark silver. On the 34 it's a black, but it just looks better when it kind of has that contrast, because if not, when you're driving and it's sunny, on the windshield reflects the color of the wing rather than just being black, so I think it looks nicer that way. So far the 240 is pretty much back to normal looking, or at least normal from when we painted it, so I'm super stoked about it. After the crash I was intimidated to work on it because I never worked on something that was crumpled like that before. The closest thing would probably be the fender when the wheel fell off and it ripped the fender off, but it still had that main shape in it, so it wasn't really trying to stretch out metal or try to work it back into the shape that it originally was. So I'm super excited that it's pretty much back together already. Are you excited?
I'm so excited.
I was intimidated to work on it for so long, and that's probably why I put it off for so long, was because we never done anything like that. But I'm pretty proud. Do you think is it going straight? Never mind, put it on the wrong side.
Restart.
Restart. I don't know how to tell if it's even or not.
I know, that's the hard part, huh?
Yeah.
Well, we could paint it like this. Oh, you know what?
What?
You're taping the wrong side.
What do you mean?
This is the side that needs to be painted.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, let me start again.
Jeez. This is what we're supposed to do. Because the tape is too sticky, you stick it to your clothes.
Why?
So it makes the tape sticky, but not as sticky, to rip off the paint, in case you didn't prep your things well.
Why did you not prep it well?
I did, but like just as a precaution.
Oh,
how's this tape job?
We have 2 cans of black. Which one do you want? You want like this guy? This one is probably better, huh?
Yeah. Don't show this one. This is ghetto.
Oh, okay.
Okay, we're doing a professional paint job. In 3, 2, 1. Oh no! There's no air in the can.
Oh. Try it. Let me see that one. Yeah, this is our last resort. Look at this.
Oh man.
No way, there's no air in this one too.
Okay, we don't have black spray paint.
Okay, wait, let me go look again.
Okay, time out.
Oh, okay.
Can number 3. Oh.
I just missed first.
Okay. First coat done.
That was a horrible first coat.
Okay.
Okay, wait a little bit so it doesn't like go into the tape.
All right, back in the professional paint booth for another round of paint.
Okay, I'm gonna take this tape off. We just took the tape off and then the wing looks good now. It looks super crispy. And then we put some mounting tape on it, just some 3M tape. But we were waiting for it to, we were waiting for the rain to stop for a little bit, and it finally did. So we're gonna try to do it real quick because it might rain again.
Line up your edge.
My edge is good as your edge too?
Yeah.
Yay!
We did it. Oh, it's
It's like straight.
It's okay. Just push your side down.
This is as far as I can push it.
So we have to go to the store, get some tape, because we didn't have enough for the whole section. So pretty much the whole center has it up until maybe around here. And then the parts that are not sticking don't really have tape. They have like a little strip here, but it's not enough for coverage. So we are probably gonna leave it like this and go get some tape and stick on the edges. But for now, it looks good. Do you guys like the black underneath? I think it looks better this way with the black.
Yeah, because then if not, the yellow reflects on top. The top of the
pretty
roof.
much how we have it on all the cars. So like the Skyline one, I painted this black as well. And then Christine's car has
it's the same color as the kit. Yeah.
Also, do you guys prefer the red tails or the clear tails?
I think I like the red. I like the red against the yellow.
The red probably looks good because we're used to the clear.
Yeah.
But I like the clear when it was just all clears. But comparison with them both on the car, I don't know, the red kind of stands out a little bit better.
Yeah, I feel like the red matches more with the center garnish.
Yeah. Well, it's a nice rainy day today, guys, but we still want to get some content out there for you guys, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the hustle. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and cover the car back up, get some tape later on, finish up that install for the roof spoiler, get both sides sitting nice and flat. But for the meantime, guys, we will have more interesting content to come, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. We got some parts coming for the R34, so a lot more R34 content is on the way. And yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, supporting what we got here on the channel. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and stay good.